But here's the twist. That tail actually makes flying harder. It's heavy, it's awkward, and it slows them down. It's a serious trade-off, survival versus style. But hey, when love's on the line, fashion wins. These birds are also busy builders. Males defend a patch of grassland and build multiple nests, hoping to attract several females. More nests, more mates. The long tail? It's just the start of his sales pitch. So, next time you think style over substance is a bad idea, remember the long-tailed widow bird, risking it all for romance, one glorious feather at a time. Would you drag around a giant tail just to impress your crush?